Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the third lecture of important MCQ series, and in our third lecture we are discussing MCQs based on NABARD Annual Report 2018-19. This is the NABARD special series and it is very important for upcoming NABARD Grade A examination. If you are preparing for NABARD Grade A examination 2020, this MCQ course will boost your preparation. In this course, we are covering current affairs, budget, economic survey, reports and indices, government scheme, Kurukshetra magazine, and important static portion. MCQ will be covered with the explanation and detailed explanation will be there. The course fees is 999. You can visit our website educare247.com and subscribe to this course. If you want to subscribe, you can call on this number as well. The first question is, according to NABARD Annual Report 2018-19, what is the total GVA at basic prices for 2018-19 from agriculture, forestry and fishing? So basically you have to tell that what is the agriculture sector contribution in GVA at basic price for the year 2018-19. The answer is 18.55 lakh crore. During the year 2018-19, agriculture contributed to 18.55 lakh crore and it grew to 2.9%. Last year, the growth of agriculture was 5%. So basically, in 18-19, it reduced to 2.9%. So this is very important point. You can see in this diagram, during 14-15 agriculture was minus 2%, but it improved to 6.3% in 16-17, but in 17-18 it reduced to 5, and in 18-19 it further reduced to 2.9. so this is very important. If you will see the total growth, that is 6.6% during 18-19, and during 17-18 it was 6.9%. so this table is very important. You can remember all the important facts. The highest growth is for service sector, that is 7.5 during the year 18-19. The next question is, according to Agriculture Census 2015-16, what is the average size of operational land holdings in India? The answer is 1.08 hectare. This Agriculture Census 2015-16 was mentioned in NABARD Annual Report 2018-19. The report says that since 2005-6, the average land holdings has decreased. In 5-6, it was 1.23. It further reduced to 1.15 in the year 2010-11, and in 2015-16 it reduced to 1.08 hectare. So basically we have to improve the agricultural productivity, and it is highlighting since we are reducing in average size but we are improving in agriculture productivity, and that is meeting the need of the people. The next question is, according to NABARD Annual Report 2018-19, agriculture and allied sector contributed to what percentage of GBA in 2018-19? The answer is 14.3%. Agriculture sector contributed 14.3% in GVA in the year 18-19, and in 17-18 it was 14.9%. We have just discussed during this period 18-19 the agriculture grew only to 2.9%. Last year in 17-18 it grew to 5.0%. so basically it is the reduction in agricultural growth. And why it happened? Because of Rabi acreage affected the agricultural performance. So this is very important point. You can remember this point, and this GVA contribution can be asked in the examination. In past it has been asked. The next question is, according to NABARD All India Financial Inclusion Survey 2016-17, wage labor accounts for what percentage of the average monthly income of agricultural households? The answer is 34%. Wage labor accounts for 34% of the average monthly income of agricultural households as per NABARD All India Financial Inclusion Survey 2016-17. Agricultural wage have been much more volatile than non-agricultural wage in rural India. So this is very important point. You can remember this important figure. It can be asked in the examination. The next question is, according to NABARD Annual Report 2018-19, how many people have filed IT returns in 2018-19? The answer is 6.85 crore. The NABARD annual report says that direct tax collection has increased from 6.38 lakh crore to 11.37 lakh crore in the year 2018-19, and 6.38 lakh crore was in 2013-17. If you'll see the IT return filed in 13-14, 3.79 crore IT return was filed, but in 18-19, 6.85 crore IT return was filed. The GST collection in the year 18-19 was 12.69 lakh crore. So these are very important figure. Anything can be asked in the examination, so you can remember all the important figures. The next question is, according to NABARD Annual Report 2018-19, what is the share of priority agriculture sector NPA in total NPAs of scheduled commercial banks in the year 2017-18? The answer is 8.6%. The share of priority agriculture sector NPAs in total NPAs of scheduled commercial bank increased to 8.6% in year 17-18. It was 8.3% in 16-17. So basically we have to be very cautious about the asset quality of the banks. So this is the overall crux of this data. This is very important. The next question is, which of the following Government of India's mission is related to recapitalization of the bank? The answer is Indradhanush. You must be thinking there is another Indradhanush mission that is related to immunization program, and this is the second Indradhanush mission that is related to recapitalization of the bank. So if this is coming in the examination, don't get confused, marked it, it's correct. So Government of India had announced recapitalization of public sector banks to the 2.11 lakh crore in October 2017, and it said that approx 18,000 crore rupees will come from the budgetary provision, and that will capital infusion under Indradhanush mission, and recapitalization bond will be issued to approx 1,35,000 crore, and other money will come from the market. Bank will raise from the market. So this is very important mission. You can remember this mission. It can be asked in the examination. The next question is, according to NABARD Annual Report 2018-19, what was the share of gross capital formation in GVA for the economy as a whole in the year 2017-18? The answer is 32.8%. The share of gross capital formation in GVA for the economy as a whole reduced to 39.5% in 2011-12 to 32.8% in 2017-18. So this is very important fact. And why this reduction has happened? Because the slowdown in the credit development. Why it happened? Because of NPA crisis in the banks, and banks were not lending for long-term infrastructure projects. That's why gross capital formation reduced to 32.8% in the year 17-18. The next question is, which of the following is not the component of PM-AASHA scheme? So you have to tell that in the given option which is not the component of PM-AASHA scheme. So answer is price monitoring scheme. PM-AASHA has three components: price support scheme, price deficiency payment scheme, private procurement, and Stockist scheme. We have discussed this scheme in the detail in our government scheme series. You can watch that series for the details of this scheme. The next question is, according to NABARD Annual Report 2018-19, what was the estimation for total food grain production during the year 2018-19? The answer is 283.4 million tons. During 2018-19, the total food grain production was estimated to 283.4 million tons, and the rice production is estimated to 115.6 million tons, and the wheat production is estimated to 101.2 million tons. So these are very important figures. In the year 2008-9, the total food grain production was 234.5 million tons, and it increased to 285 million tons in the year 17-18, and it accounts for 2.12% of compound annual growth rate. So these figures are very important. It can be asked in the examination in any form. So you must remember all these important figures, especially the total food grain production, the rice production and the wheat production. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comments and subscribe to EduCare 247. Thank you and happy learning.